Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to another episode of how to play a guitar solo without even thinking about scales. In this installment, we're going to cover the never-ending 5-note riff. The guitar is tuned standard, EADGBE, and we're playing in the key of A minor, my favorite key, by the way. We're going to be playing up at the 5th fret in familiar territory. In this segment, what we're going to learn to do is to take 5 notes and loop them like this. Now the reason it's important to loop 5 notes instead of, say, an even number like 4, when you loop an even number of notes, they sound like this. Which can get pretty boring after a while. Now when you loop 5 notes, something interesting happens. The riff becomes modal. It sounds a little different every time you play it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to learn this riff and we're going to play it against a music track I've put together on Band in a Box. Check it out. Here's our first group of 5 notes. Fret 8, high E string. Fret 5, high E string. B string, fret 8. B string, fret 5. G string, fret 7. So here we go. Now what we're going to do is to loop that like this. Now I've put together a special track on Band in a Box, and we're going to crank that up and play that lick along with it. Here we go. Here, because we've linked up an odd number of notes, as the progression moves along, the notes always wind up in a different place, so they sound different throughout the progression. Tell you what, let's do another one. Let's pick 5 more notes. How about? That sounds pretty good. That's fret 6 on the B string, fret 5, fret 7 on the G string, fret 5 on the G string, and fret 7 on the D string. So we've got this. So let's try that one with our track and see what it sounds like. Not bad at all. Let's add one more. Like that. Now we're at fret 5 on the B string, fret 4 on the B string, fret 7 on the G string, fret 5 on the G string, and fret 7 on the D string, which is. Now our last lick was. So let's link those two together and see what they sound like. Sounding pretty good there. Alright, I'll tell you what, let's go back and let's get an old style lick. And that's going to be like this. Alright, now what we've got there is we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? 5 notes. Alright, so we're going to start G string, 7th fret, B string, 5th fret, high E, 5th fret, B string, fret 8, back to the B string, fret 5. So we've got this. Now if we bend up the G string, we get that. Now that's bending on that G. Alright, let's see if we can put all 3 of these licks together. So far, everything we've played has been at the 5th fret. But please realize that we are not limited to any particular place on the neck of the guitar, as long as we can find the notes we need. Now, I'm going to go up to fret 17 on the B string, fret 20, fret 17 on the high E string, and fret 20 on the high E string. And we're going to play it like this. That was fret 17 on the B string, fret 20 on the B string, fret 17 on the high E, fret 20 on the high E, and back to 17 on the high E. So it's like this. Now once you've picked out 5 notes, and any notes that you like will work, you can use those same notes to lead into your solo with. Like, and then select another group of notes and go on, and you can solo endlessly this way. Alright, that's it for the 5-note never-ending riff. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.